Hola and welcome back to our A1 vocabulary course. Okay, this is already lesson number 6. So if you missed the first 5 lessons, just go to my playlist and check them out. And today we have a great topic. Today we will talk about food and going to the restaurant and talk about how to express yourself or how to express your preferences. No? Quite interesting way. I live here in Spain, in Tenerife, and food in Spain is quite good. So we need to learn sentences like this that we can eat a lot if you travel to Spain or you live in Spain. So we will do this like always with 25 useful sentences you can already use when you go out and go to the restaurant. And I will do this with you together. So let's learn. You are here for learn some Spanish. So let's get started. And here's our first sentence of today. I like pizza very much. And in Spanish we say, me gusta mucho la pizza. Me gusta mucho la pizza. Always try to say the sentence by yourself as well. And here it's actually me gusta. No? To me it appeals a lot pizza. No? It's a little bit different grammar, but just remember to express me gusta mucho la pizza. Quite useful. Me gusta mucho la pizza. Second sentence. I don't like mushrooms. No me gustan los champiñones. No me gustan los champiñones. And here it's interesting because it's gustan, because champiñones is the subject in plural, so we add an. And the negation, it's just a no before the verb, okay? In English we have do not, don't, no? In Spanish just no me gustan los champiñones, and we negated the sentence. So no, always watch the whole video because I have a lot of comments to the sentence as well. So next sentence. What do you want to eat today? ¿Qué quieres comer hoy? ¿Qué quieres comer hoy? No? Really important, quieres, querer. No? The verb querer, really important, and quieres is what do you want, no? What you want. For me, a mixed salad. Para mí, una ensalada mixta. Para mí, una ensalada mixta. For the first course, I want chicken soup. De primero, quiero sopa de pollo. De primero, quiero sopa de pollo. Quiero, I want, or I would like. So please remember this. It's so useful, this one. And we don't say yo, no, because the ending o shows us that's the first person in singular, no? But remember, quiero. For the second course, grilled fish. De segundo, pescado a la plancha. De segundo, pescado a la plancha. That's really good here in Tenerife. I like fish. What is there for dessert? ¿Qué hay de postre? ¿Qué hay de postre? Next one. The bill, please. Oh, really important one. La cuenta, por favor. La cuenta, por favor. You will use this a lot. I am very hungry. Tengo mucha hambre. Tengo mucha hambre. Actually, in Spanish we say I have much hunger. Okay, tengo mucha hambre. Are you thirsty? ¿Tienes sed? ¿Tienes sed? Breakfast is my favorite meal. El desayuno es mi comida favorita. El desayuno es mi comida favorita. And here it's so nice, favorita or favorito. If you combine it, you could say mi música favorita, no? Or mi color favorito, no? Ahí we have to put a no because color is masculino. It's masculine. But here, our next sentence. Can you bring me some salt? ¿Me trae un poco de sal? ¿Me trae un poco de sal? This dish is very tasty. Este plato es muy rico. Este plato es muy rico. Ah, really a nice, important sentence. I am a vegetarian. And we say this in Spanish. Soy vegetariano. Soy vegetariana. Soy vegetariano. Soy vegetariana. Okay, no, a little bit complicated to say it. The first time I also did a little bit wrong, but vegetariano. Vegetariano. Nice. What does the waiter recommend? ¿Qué me recomienda el camarero? ¿Qué me recomienda el camarero? I want a table for 4. Do you remember how to say I want? Quiero una mesa para 4. Quiero una mesa para 4. Where's the supermarket? ¿Dónde está el supermercado? ¿Dónde está el supermercado? Also really important structure, ¿dónde está? No, where is? No, ¿dónde está? Keep this in mind. I buy fresh fruit and vegetables. Compro fruta y verdura fresca. Compro fruta y verdura fresca. Okay, next one. The chicken is a bit spicy. El pollo está un poco picante. El pollo está un poco picante. Picante, spicy. El pollo, no, ella, no polo, pollo. Do you prefer meat or fish? ¿Prefieres carne o pescado? ¿Prefieres carne o pescado? Yo prefiero pescado. No? I prefer fish. I drink coffee with milk and sugar. Bebo café con leche y azúcar. Bebo café con leche y azúcar. I don't drink alcohol, thanks. No tomo alcohol, gracias. No tomo alcohol, gracias. In Spanish it's a little bit better to say no tomo y no bebo. It's like I don't take alcohol. Okay? It's a little bit more common to say it this way. No tomo alcohol. Dinner is at 9 o'clock. La cena es a las 9. La cena es a las 9. The bread is freshly made. El pan está recién hecho. El pan está recién hecho. Rico, no? Tasty. And the last sentence of today. Can I pay by card? ¿Puedo pagar con tarjeta? ¿Puedo pagar con tarjeta? Yeah. And here we have 25 useful sentences for going to a restaurant and about food. Okay, I hope you liked this. Please remember, go to the description. There you find really useful links, and you find also the link for Quizlet where you can practice these 25 sentences by yourself. Or you can just watch the video again. And yeah, just check out also my courses, because I highly recommend this, because they are so engaging and useful to really improve and boost your Spanish. Yeah, that's everything for today. Muchas gracias y hasta pronto.